Kennedy Agyapong planned and executed what is happening today in the NPP.
Anybody to fear in the political space, it is simply Kennedy Agyapong. And I'll tell you one thing.
Tell me.
Kennedy may lose, but he will plan 2028.
He will be 67 then.
Forget about age. Biden is president in US. Age is just a number.
But it will probably depend on the outcome of the election.
I'm telling you today, Baumia will win and lose the general election.
Yera Kennedy Agyapong. Now on say NPP berry. No, no, so I'm down green to the bottom of Mary. Okay. Statement be a Kennedy Agyapong ye nehu. I say Baumia can never beat Mahama. No ni oka. Number 2 I say NPP lusu about 2022.
Send your power be a so any arrogance. How kumse me yiri jina ho keti yam office. How kumse ka jira nza wo bodama metro za ma bodam che. Metro NPP za ma bodam che how kumse. Asore ga. Metro how kumse za ma bodam che. Yeah, that is what, in presence of my wife, Katie Hammond office, this arrogant woman said, what bodamwa? My children said, my bodam chill. Meanwhile, I walk away and so pick up and demand this in the field. Look, if you mention, but how do you know, any Baumia himself have nothing against him?
I'm a new friend of Oba Commando, and the Obua, Oba no I take glasses, Missa, no I didn't boot Obua. Yes, Obuni Kunina. Because since 2016, and perform who are my meat to Arano and easy, and then they pay no ball, we pay no ball. Pay no about. The utterances, the posture, a problem for NPP.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. If you want to about back in the soul, but your friend Ben Bruce, so subscribe, mommy. Aftermath of 2024 election, na nipa bakwa ye nyina ye believe me gidi say if the NPP will come back to power 2028 and nipa bakwa say omo bange hopes on is Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Video bi ameko chance here na nipa na ka say Kennedy Agyapong planned and executed what is happening today in the NPP. Ye go tie nemra.
Anybody to fear in the political space, it is simply Kennedy Agyapong. And I'll tell you one thing.
Tell me.
Kennedy may lose, but he will plan 2028.
He will be 67 then.
Forget about age. Biden is president in US. Age is just a number.
But it will probably depend on the outcome of the election.
I'm telling you today, Baumia will win and lose the general election. And
that's your opinion.
It's going to happen.
Well, that's your
Put down today's date.
Yeah.
Today's
4th November.
Yeah, I chance on it. We have 309 days to general election. 309 days. Baumia will win this internal contest, lose the general election. When he loses, the NPP will begin to think properly. And they begin to find fault. The establishment will collapse. I'm telling you today, anybody who followed NPP politics, anytime NPP goes into opposition, the establishment collapses. Go back to 2007. I was in Legon when Polafoko was slapped. I was there right there because then I was in NPP. I saw with my eyes, not somebody telling me. At that time, Alan was a dinosaur in the NPP. Alan was untouchable. You could see all the forces. Like today, the forces marshal against Kennedy and in for Baumia. That forces was for Alan Chamantin in 2007.
I was there, I saw it too.
Fantastic. So that was the time Alan was Alan. You could hear the song. Obi aranti se wu, Alan Chamantia na yepe. That was the time. And Nana was lucky because people said that, oh, let's reward Nanado. Other than that, Alan could have, if they had gone for runoff in 07, Alan would have won. I'm telling you today, if they had gone for runoff in 2007, Alan would have won. Others say, okay, you are older than me. Go and let me follow. And look at what they did to him. So, if the NPP loses 2024, that establishment that collapsed in 2007 against Alan will collapse against Baumia. And that is when Kennedy may have an opportunity. And I'm telling you today, Kennedy will lose. He will not give up. Because he will come again 2027. And at that time, NPP will be organic.
When according to you,
according to me,
would have lost the election.
Yes,
according to you.
Yes, he will lose 2024. And when he loses, you will not have the advantage of MCEs, DCEs, no CEOs, no ambassadors. So that establishment will collapse against you. And at that time, the party will begin to search for the organic leader. The leader who has been with them 20, 30 years down the lane. And at that time, the rules will not work for Baumia. Because let me tell you today, some of the DC's ministers, CEOs, appointees of Mahama today, he can't find them around him. After he lost power, Mahama can't find some of them. It's natural. Some of them will go into oblivion. They will hide the money they make. They will hide the contact they make. They will not put it into the political space. So after 2024, some of the ministers you see today, the DCs, the ambassadors, they will go into oblivion. So the party will revert to the organic status of the NPP. That is where Kennedy will be relevant. And let me tell you, Kennedy is going to kick out some of the certain MPs who kick against him.
Well, he said that.
It's going to happen.
He said that.
Kennedy is going to sit down, mobilize money, and he's going to look at the constituency he won against the MPs who stood against him and kick them out.
And I'm looking at the results and some of these constituencies that you mentioned. You know the one that first crossed my mind? The one at Kwesi-Minsi.
Okay.
The MP there was Vociferous. I've forgotten his name. I think he's a deputy minister as well.
Right.
Vociferous against Honorable Ken.
Go to Bantama.
He couldn't get the numbers there.
Go to...
video tia na e pa kire se yewra Kennedy Agyapong na onim se NPP berry no onim so mo ye down mo drink kire bottom mo merry okaya statement bi a Kennedy Agyapong ye na ehu o say Bawumia can never beat Mahama no onim ni oka no matter what say NPP lusu about 2022. The third one in Kofonti Asia Monti Asia say he specifically says a monkofa napo a onim se napo or a baggage no make campaign ho. So what I say or baggage baggage and you say nwura me patch say ensam na yewra napo betimi aka na e bomb totowo what to bomb no dem beka we no when nyina no papa ne patch say e plan bibia no pese Bawumia ewe and I'm pass already. It was no the grip on MPP, the Bawumia factor no abubu because Yewra Kufuado the last days no we can 2-3 weeks next so we free akunya no so next and one no achi mafia na abubu here e say MPP nya new face a omo benya no e say your face e credible and no patch say o hwe we nyina mu a Enigma Ghana for beto biem na amoma akoto aba no eye Honorable Kennedy Agyapong abani eto ye no eye NPP for na anto na NDC winning ye eno ti na make say jubilation na NDC ye no they should be what careful because the next time who jubilate say na wo bu NPP for na next time wo diga so beto aba na ebehu no ye o say one person owo NPP mu me ne ya adwen I say a bonema how are you kumsen? You go to bra.
You see, power be minim send your power be a so any arrogance. How kumsen? Me yiri jina ho keti yam on office. How kumsen? Catch them say what bottom make sure say my bottom chill. Make sure MPP say my bottom chair how kumsen. I swear to God. Make sure how kumsen say my bottom chair. Yeah. That is what, in presence of my wife, taking him on office, this arrogant woman say, "What bottom one? Make sure say my bottom chair." Meanwhile, walk away in also pick up and the man next to the fee. Look, any but party no any Bawumia himself have nothing against him. But what do me? We'll see if you deliver Ashanti region. I'm not going to forgive them. If you know the efforts are put in to get numbers in Ashanti region, or they don't want to meet him. I will meet him. And then, what do you want to yeah. I will be saying no be kasa no be campaign the mayor but one real consequence you have to do a bit tear for so complete. What do you say? Yeah, just anyama me ko here yeah campaign no na me ntie no asa meko akontomra MP me o the video say Kennedy Agyapong o di matam here. There was a programmer Hobson Adoye former girlfriend Oh, yeah, near beside your Canada. Oh, Canada point one fan tunche. Wow. Maybe a politics everyone. Yeah, see, I was young set at Tantadia. Wine Canada point. Fan tunche. Oh, the movies. Yeah, the kind of one here, I'll be a rebel. Now, I'm a rebel. Hanya Alan, the me do man no say me see me nya party ni dey mu a ensam a meka no wo dia say na mo ye mistake na mkoto ma senso a bantima race course ma no twa me ma
I manu e fe no oba commando ene oboa oba no age glasses bi sa no age ne boot oboa ya say obo ni kunu nyina because since 2016 ekofo awu wo ma me tu ano no enye easy any pay no abo we pay no abo ni utterances ni posture a problem for NPP. I have a come say the way I know kasa the way I know or even ahemfu kasa it was a problem. Now we share in some na honorable Kennedy kana it means say watimi atena se na watimi diagnosing the problem of NPP. It we share the power ya one solution that solution na say ye beba with that what a credible face so wo peni pa ba kwa Ghana for e feel say oni sika abamu sika obi asabe ye man ka akro se mempe obi asabe Ghana for feel say our love for Ghana at heart eye Yewura Kennedy tinipa say NPP person ba power in the next 4 years I suggest say so pushing the poster no forward no show the true side ni ye enye sa no koye internal bickering any pewe dia any ntwo na beba any 16 years na besi do say NDC etimi pick a new person in the form of Haruna no marketing no be wini abana onu so betwa 8 years na just MPP no wura na ewu na say we no more but me we ases ya me pay one rules I we ba na we cross na yes ye no etiam people matie mi a Yewura Kennedy Agyapong mamu sinifam wo ye rough na BBC amare wo ye demare Xposed GH Bruce Pacho o subscribe ma me editum pa na wo zaka bi manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.